Hey Paul, how you doing? Just thought I'd go over this one by video to give you a quick website audit. So basically this one's got a couple of different benefits or values to the customer rather than just one specific focus. So I would probably take a slightly different approach with this one. Bespoke composite and timber decking specialist, that's fine, that says what you do. In terms of the value for your customers, I would probably be looking to add maybe like 3 or 4 little icons down below that, a bit smaller, and just saying things like what's the actual result for the customer. So like enhance your outdoor space, long lasting with a 25-year warranty, so you don't need to worry about replacing it. Low maintenance garden space, that's why a lot of people get decking, is because they want some low maintenance hard standing in their garden. I would emphasise the bespoke, so designed specifically for your garden shape and space. And just do them like little icons down below above the get in touch button. That'll really help kind of highlight the value that you're offering to customers. For the get in touch, it's a wee bit vague. I would be more specific with your call to action. So again, rather than get in touch, I would say some kind of hook, like use our free online calculator and do a little questionnaire about like the square meterage and give them a very ballpark price, and that gets them on the phone to then give them a more specific price. Or you could say like free consultation, where you'll chat to them about what they're looking for and their needs, and again just get them on the phone and be able to speak to them and really sell them properly, rather than just get in touch, which is they send you a contact form and they'll probably go and contact like 2 or 3 other people. Even better if that went to like a little video introduction that explained what you do and what sets you apart from other decking companies, and maybe put that video down here as a little introduction to yourself. And people like to deal with a face, so if they can see who they're dealing with, it would really help your sales process. I would say in terms of going down the page, you've got testimonials there, that's great. I would add more of them and make them more prominent, maybe box them to highlight them. Some before and afters would also be really good if you had page isn't loading. If you had maybe some before and after pics of like before the garden and the garden with the deck to show how you've enhanced the space, that would be good. Maybe some case study pages as well, even better. If you could get video testimonials, again, better again. The testimonials look great, so you're also doing a good service, which is good. That would be what I would be doing on the page. Just looking, maybe I think your logo is quite big as well. Your logo is like the least important bit on the website. At the moment it's using up like, I would say, a good 5%, probably 10% of your screen space. So I would shrink your logo by quite a bit, so that you're allowing more screen space for the user to actually read what's on the page, because I'm on a laptop but it's using quite a lot of space at the moment. These little certification logos are all good. I would use them, that's a good idea. One last thing, I would also have your contact button or your book consultation or whatever your hook is. I would have that as a sticky down in the bottom right, get in touch button, so that they can always, I know they've got one in the header, but just make it like a colour and make it in the bottom right so it's dead obvious, so they can always contact you at any point. These are good. I like that you've integrated the feed. That looks like my cat. Okay, apart from that, the other thing I noticed was just putting your website into a really quick free SEO scan. You're not getting an awful lot of organic monthly traffic. You're ranking for a number of keywords, that's good. Got a number of backlinks, not very many, but the number is kind of irrelevant and more depends on how many backlinks your competitors have is more important. In terms of the keywords that you're ranking for, most of the ones you're ranking for, in fact all of your traffic is CassiDecks, which suggests that you're not actually getting any organic traffic. What you're getting is people that are searching for your brand name. They already know who you are and they've gone to find you on Google. So at the moment you're not getting any organic traffic whatsoever. You could be ranking for like composite cladding, something that's not really relevant, but composite balustrade, composite deck builders, composite decking builders, composite decking companies near me. These all have a little bit of volume, not huge volume, but they've got a little bit of volume that you could be ranking for. At the moment you're all the way down at like 65, 90, 93, so you're not ranking for them at all. You really need to be in page 1, otherwise you're not going to get any traffic for them. So it's worth thinking about that. I can send you a link in the comment to a video I've done about why your website isn't ranking for any keywords, and I hope that will help you. You can contact me if you want me to implement any of those things for you. I hope you found this website audit useful, and just get in touch if you've got any questions at all. Thanks.